think the challenges that we've really noticed is that because Layla looks okay, is the only word that I can describe, is that people kind of judge. They don't understand that actually she has brain damage because she has fetal alcohol spectrum disorder. And so what that entails is that even though she can speak and she has the language, her understanding is slow. Home is very important because during lockdown we had to shield because Layla has cystic fibrosis, so we had to shield for 5 months. And what we realised with Layla is we just had to do things very differently in order for her to learn. I think we were shocked at first. Paul was like, "Look, actually, we really want to help you as a family." I think obviously now it's more even and it's more smooth. It just means that I can get Layla in and out of the car easily without her falling. She has a wheelchair for long term. It just means that I can take the wheelchair easily to the car as well.